When you write a program, you might have the logic in the program when the condition is matched, then you execute some particular statement. If not, then you execute the other statement. For example, like in this flowchart, you have the condition here. If the condition is matched, then it go to blue line here and execute this statement. If not, then it go to red line here and execute this statement here. So you can code this in Java by using the if-else statement. You start with the if, and then you wrap the condition with the parent here. And then you follow by the blanket. The first set of blanket will be if block. In the if block, it will be executed when the condition is matched. If the condition is not matched, then it goes to else block. Go to this one, and then execute this statement. For example, in the program, this is a simple program that you ask the user for their age. And when the user enters the number, which is their age, it gets into this variable age. And then in the program, you have the if statement. If this age value is less than or equal 19, then it print out this teens. And if it doesn't match, or if age is more than 19, then it goes to else block, which it print out adult. So let's try to run this program. If I put in 20, then the program say adult because it's go to else statement. If I put in 17, it print out teen because it goes to if block and execute whatever in if block. Okay, so in the next program that you can use the if-else statement is, for example, if you have two variables a and b and you assign the value to it, you want the program to find the maximum value between a and b. What you can do is you can use if-else statement. So you put in if, then parent. Inside the parent, you compare a with b. If a more than b, then you say print out a is maximum. And else, if a is not more than b, then it can be more than or equal b. But in this case, we want to catch only the condition when b is more than a. So in the last condition is else. It only maps the else in this case when the b is equal to a. So you say a and b are equal. Okay, let's try to run this program. So when you run the program, go to if, check if a is more than b. So you can obviously see that a contains the value of 5 and b contains the value of 8. So a is not more than b, so it doesn't match this condition. So it goes to else statement and execute this statement, including if. So it check again for this condition in the if b is more than a. So in this case, b is more than a, so it goes to this statement execute print line B is maximum, so you can see that in the console print out B is maximum. Now let's try to change this by put in 10 and execute the program again. Now in this case is go into this statement A is maximum because this condition is matched. Now I will change B to 10. So A and B are both 10 and run the program. It get into else statement because it doesn't neither match this condition or this condition, so it go to else and say A and B are equal.